Everyone think Canva only works with internet. My friend, that's not true. I'm going to prove it today. So what if your internet dies right before your biggest presentation? Most Canva user would panic. But what if you know about this amazing Canva offline feature, you don't even blink? So let's start it. So as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. All you have to do is just open any of your design which you want to access offline. So I have created this amazing presentation design which I am going to present, where I'm not sure the internet is available or not. This is important presentation, so I need to make sure it's available while the internet is also not available. So you can see currently I'm connected to the internet, but before disconnecting to the Wi-Fi, I'll click on this save button, and here I can get the option make available offline. So you can see it will start preparing my design to make it accessible while offline or the internet is cut off. You can even edit your design. You can see my offline design is available. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just disconnect my Wi-Fi, and you can see now currently I'm offline. So I will just go on a home page and refresh it again. Okay, so you can see I'm going to home page, and you will see this is the only design I can access because currently the internet is cut. And now you can see still I can make the design changes. So now you can make any design. Suppose if I want to add a new page, I can simply go, and the text, I can add text, make things good. Okay, and you can also change the font which is available in your design. So you can also access all the font which is already available. So I can make it bold, change the color to match the theme. So you can also access some of the basic elements, the shapes, all the shape is accessible, so you can use it and create design on the go. And you can also add the chart to showcasing any data, add the tables, grid, and insert the photos. So this is a quick update, but this is really helpful for anyone who is using Canva as one-stop solution for any design need, like me, like you. So till then, take care of yourself, Tara, and I will see you into the next amazing stuff like this, amazing Canva updates and the videos waiting for you. Subscribe now.